Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy to partly cloudy conditions out there this morning. And seeing more partly cloudy skies for the afternoon. Temperatures warming into the upper 70s to lower 80s with a south wind this afternoon. We'll have those winds up to about 8 to 13 knots, plus possibly gusting up as high as 18 knots today. But overall, a very tranquil day across the region with high pressure in control. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have freezing level at 13,100 feet. Winds in the low levels are fairly light, anywhere from a southeasterly wind at 1,000 feet, becoming northwesterly to northerly up to 9,000 feet, anywhere from about 5 to 15 knots, and seeing the winds increase up to 25 to 35 knots out of the north, the northwesterly component. Up to 25,000 feet, we see a 29 knot wind, and that is our peak wind this morning. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have an area high pressure along the eastern seaboard into the Mid-Atlantic region. It's giving us those tranquil conditions that I mentioned. We'll have that area high pressure sliding off the coast this afternoon. That'll provide us with that warmer return flow out of the south. And then tomorrow we'll really see some warm weather or hot weather across the region. Temperatures in the lower 90s across the Delmarva Peninsula. We should see a fair amount of record high temperatures across the peninsula tomorrow with a short duration heat wave as a backdoor cold front slides south towards the region. We'll get good heating out front of that cold front, as well as the warmer air mass in the upper levels across the region. Looking at our current satellite across the area, when we have those clouds around 3,000, 6,000 feet across the Mid-Atlantic region that are starting to dissipate. We'll continue to see that occur for the afternoon hours, and as I mentioned, we'll average out about partly cloudy. Could see a time period this afternoon where we have mostly sunny conditions. Looking at our derived reflectivity from the 3-kilometer NAM, you can see moving into this afternoon, nothing on the radar, not expecting anything, no chances of precipitation or lightning today. For Wednesday, we'll have those hot and humid conditions, and with that, fire up some showers and thunderstorms across Pennsylvania and New Jersey. They'll have a tough time getting down here, though. Very slight chance we see something in the northern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula tomorrow evening, and looks like those showers and thunderstorms will not make it down here to Wallops. And then Thursday morning, we should have a backdoor cold front sliding through the peninsula down towards Wallops, and that will give us more of a northeasterly flow for our Thursday afternoon. Slightly cooler temperatures, but it's still above normal for this time of year. Looking at our GFS model to give you an outlook for the longer range, here's our Wednesday afternoon, and GFS does slide those showers and thunderstorms towards the northern half of the peninsula in the overnight hours of Wednesday to Thursday. And then Thursday, and you see it has some coastal drizzle associated with that area high pressure north of the region, as well as the cold front over the area. Could be seeing that drizzle Thursday morning. And then we move into our Friday. We'll have a cold front. It's going to move through Thursday night into Friday. It looks like those showers associated with that cold front are going to be mainly north of the region. And again, we are experiencing a dry weather pattern. It doesn't look like we have very good chances of rainfall from the cold frontal passages on Thursday or Friday. Then moving into Friday, we'll see cooler Canadian area high pressure build in the region. That'll give us breezy northerly winds to northwesterly winds, and then Saturday morning sets the stage for a good radiational cooling night. Should see temperatures in the 40s across the center portion of the peninsula, temperatures in the lower 50s here at Wallops, and then Saturday afternoon we'll only see those temperatures rise into the 60s across the region. So seeing those temperatures well above normal for the middle portion of this week, and then the weekend we'll see temperatures just slightly below normal for this time of year. And Sunday, we'll see that area high pressure holding on before a cold front crosses the region on Monday. Looking at our risk chart for today, a green chart across the board, high of 80 degrees, south winds 8 to 13, gust to 18 this afternoon, southwesterly tonight 6 to 11 knots, an evening low of 69 degrees, temperatures rising lower 70s overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we currently have a scatter deck around 3,000 feet and also one at 25,000 feet. VFR condition expected the next 24 hours. Slight chance we do have that ceiling around 3,000 feet through now towards 1,400 local. And by tomorrow morning, we'll just have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Our tides are slightly above normal. Looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday will be mostly sunny, partly cloudy, and humid, with record-setting heat expected a high of 93. That should break the record of 87 set back in 2013. So it should really shatter that record by 5 degrees or more. So quite the record tomorrow expected across the region. Wednesday night we'll have partly cloudy and unseasonably warm temperatures. A slight chance of low clouds towards dawn with that cold front approaching, a low of 72 degrees, a yellow for our ceilings. And Thursday we'll have mostly cloudy conditions, a slight chance of patchy drizzle and low clouds during the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon, a high of 82 degrees on Thursday. Once again, we'll have that yellow for our low clouds during the morning. Thursday's high of temperature is quite tricky at this time. Looks like that boundary will be right over the region. If it doesn't move quite as far south as the model is predicting, we'll see temperatures in the 90s. If it moves a little bit farther to the south, we'll see temperatures in the 70s for Thursday. So right now, looking at in between at 82 degrees. Now, the next 7 days, we'll have 80 degrees tomorrow. That hot and humid day on Wednesday at 93 degrees. Thursday, cooler, still above normal. Should be in the mid-70s for this time of year, mid to lower 70s this time of year. Seeing a high of 82 degrees on Thursday. A 10% chance of that drizzle during the morning. And we'll see about a 5% to 10% chance of a light rain shower moving through Friday morning. Didn't even put it on the chart here, but with that cold front moving through, cannot rule it out, but not expecting it. Seeing a high of 77 degrees on Friday, only 69 on Saturday, and then Sunday at 75 degrees, mostly cloudy conditions, and then we'll have a cold front moving through on Monday. That should give us more southwesterly flow out ahead. That cold front, warmer temperatures, and highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s on Monday with a chance of some rain showers late in the day. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.